Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play King Legacy on PC. It's a fantastic adventure game within the Roblox universe, enjoyed by millions of players worldwide. Playing on your personal computer offers a more immersive experience with better graphics and precise controls. This guide will walk you through the straightforward process, ensuring you can dive into the action quickly and easily. Get ready to explore a vast world and embark on epic quests. To begin your King Legacy journey, the first step is to install the Roblox player. Simply visit the official Roblox website using your preferred web browser. Look for the download option for the free Roblox player application. Once downloaded, run the installer file and follow the clear, on-screen instructions to complete the installation. This process usually takes only a few minutes, requiring a stable internet connection to ensure a strategic positioning is key to playing Groot effectively. Always aim to stay close to your primary damage dealers, offering them constant protection and support. When Barkskin is on cooldown, utilize environmental cover to minimize incoming damage. You can often initiate team fights by landing a well-placed root slam, locking down key targets. Also, be aware of enemy crowd control abilities that might interrupt your protective efforts. As you embark on your King Legacy adventure, here are a few essential tips to enhance your experience. Always explore the expansive map thoroughly. You might discover hidden treasures or secret areas. Focus on completing quests to gain valuable experience and in-game currency. Remember to consistently upgrade your character's stats and abilities to become more powerful. Finally, consider joining a crew for cooperative play, making your journey even more exciting and rewarding.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.